Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a medium envelope. First, let's gather our materials. You will need one sheet of paper, ideally 8.5 by 11 inches, along with a ruler and a pencil. Don't forget your scissors for precise cuts and a reliable adhesive like a glue stick or double-sided tape. An optional bone folder can help achieve perfectly crisp folds for a professional finish. Now let's prepare our paper. Lay your sheet horizontally on a flat surface. Measure up 1.5 inches from the bottom edge and make a light pencil mark. Carefully fold the bottom edge of the paper upwards to align perfectly with this mark. Then press down firmly to create a crisp crease. Next, measure 3.5 inches in from both the left and right vertical edges, making small marks at the top and bottom. With the bottom section folded, it's time to create the side flaps. Fold the left side of your paper inward along the 3.5 inch mark you made. Repeat this process for the right side, ensuring both folds are straight and meet cleanly in the middle. Now, apply a thin line of glue or tape along the outer edges of the bottom folded section. Carefully press the side flaps down onto this adhesive, securing the main body of your envelope. For the final touches, let's refine the top flap. If needed, use your scissors to trim any unevenness, creating a perfectly straight top edge. Now, fold this top flap down to complete the classic envelope shape. When you are ready to send your item, simply apply a small amount of glue or tape to the inside edge of this top flap and press it down firmly. You can also personalize your unique envelope with decorative stamps or drawings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.